Seemore the Sea Shanty. Seemore the Seagull loved to fly, spread his wings right up to the sky, gliding, diving, catching a breeze. Seemore the Seagull loved being free. When he was hungry, he'd land on the beach, raid a trash can from Kelly's roast beef. You better be careful, I tell you, me mate, he'll steal the sandwich right off of your plate. Rise up, Seemore, spread your mighty wings, watch over the beach where you're the Seagull King. Rise up, Seemore, show us right from wrong, how to make new friends and how to get along. Seemore was sad one day, he saw children fight instead of play. You stole my candle, you broke my pail, you smashed me first, the other one wailed. Why do children argue and fight? Who is wrong, who is right? Seemore will show them a better way to get along when they play. Rise up, Seemore, spread your mighty wings, watch over the beach where you're the Seagull King. Rise up, Seemore, show us right from wrong and how to make friends and how to get along. They dug canals, piled up sand, gave each other a helping hand. Learning together was so much fun, learning to share they both had won. Seemore flew home to sleep, closed his eyes, he won't hear a peep. He'll dream of a morning tide that washes away the fears that we hide. Rise up, Seemore, show us right from wrong, how to make new friends and how to get along. Rise up, Seemore, spread your mighty wings, watch over the beach where you're the Seagull King. Thank you very much.
It's a hearty chant.